Hey, go on.
When I was 6, yeah, my sister was half my age. Now I'm 70, how old's my sister? Well, 35, innit? No, it's not 35 years. Right, fucking say it slowly now. When I was 6, yeah, my sister was half my age. She's a 3. Now I'm 70, how old's my sister? That's still half your fucking age, isn't it? Fucking 35, isn't it? What is it? Right, so when I was 6, my sister was half my age.
Fucking hell.
Now I'm 70, how old's my sister? I don't know why you're laughing as if it's a simple fucking... It fucking is! Right, say it slowly.
My 3-year-old nearly 6 could fucking
Right. When I was 6,
When I was 6, yeah?
When I was 6...
There's no trick in the question there, right?
No, there's no trick at all. When I
on.
was 6,
Yeah?
my sister was half my age. Now I'm 70, how old's my sister?
Fucking 35! Fucking idiot.
When I was 6, my sister's half my age. So how old was she?
3.
So now I'm 70, how old's my sister?
Oh, yeah.
What?
It's still 35.
No, I'm trying to do my maths here now, yeah.
You're 70, so you're 64.
I can't do my maths here, hang on. I've got this now, I've got this. Wait. I've got this now, okay.
Oh my
Fucking hell.
god.
Wait, you fucking shut up and let me fucking think, eh?
You'll give me YouTube hit you.
Right. Right, start again now. When you were
Jesus.
when I was
She was
6,
3, right? So you're 70, so 64 years on top of that, yeah. So... 38.
no,
Right
yeah.
then, 64, hang on, what's half of 64? Half of 64 is 32, then. No. Kieran, come on. When I was 6, my sister was half my age.
3, yeah.
3. Now I'm 70, how old's my sister?
Still half your fucking
She's only
age.
3 years younger than me, you daft cunts.
So how old's she?
67.
Hey!
She's confusing up.
You know.